I want to share with you our 7 new charm sets. 7 new charms. Um, Sam's girlfriend Elena, Sam, our younger son, Sam's girlfriend Elena has been making these for us. Um, these are great to go on your traveler's notebooks. They're great to go on your planners. They're great to go on your mini books. But if we take a look at one of these, they have a lobster clasp, and the way I use them, I clip them. Oh, hang on. I clip them right to the elastic on the top of my traveler's notebook. So you just have a little jewelry, right? So you have a little jewelry that hangs off of your traveler's notebook. Sometimes I will place them here on that elastic. If you have a mini book, especially if you have a mini book that has like a book plate on the spine, they're really fun to hang from there. But they're also great to hang from backpacks and all different kinds of things. So there are 7 of them. And they are all varying lengths. They're all varying prices. The website will tell you the length of each one and obviously what is part of each one and the price. But look at this little guy. There are little tiny beads on that. I am not a jewelry person. There are little tiny beads on that stick, not a stick, but a straight piece of jewelry, a pin. That's a jewelry pin. But lots of fun things. So there's one. Here's a really pretty one with a butterfly and a lemon. So some are gold, some are silver. And of course, they're not real gold and silver, right? Or else add a zero to the price. A little star and a pink butterfly. This one is so pretty. This one has a little pearl in the center-ish, has a gold bow, a nice gold hoop, and then a really pretty enamel, kind of a pearlized enamel flower. Almost looks like a cherry blossom. We have this little guy. Now we're moving to the silvers. This one is called, I think I called it sunflower stones because you have two, not turquoise, right? But turquoise-ish looking stones with a little heart up at the top. And you can see all these up close on the website. I think Amy just linked in the chat. Thank you, Amy, the charms. So you will see a link in the chat to the charms. If you just want to go to laylebymail.com and click what's new, then you will see everything there. This one's a little bit of a longer one. You have kind of a little Hawaiian flower almost. You have another pearl bead with two kind of really light green beads on top with a leaf. And then this guy, oh my gosh, you guys have really enjoyed this guy. This guy is, I think it's called Summer Charms. So you have little kind of, whoopsie, little trees with the mountains. You have a fun little kind of art. Let me see if I can get this turned around. Like I said, you can see them really well on the website. A little art cup with scissors and paintbrushes inside. Hanging off the handle of the art cup is a cute little bee, which was such a fun idea that Elena did. She's designed all these. I'm completely out of this process now. She's super talented and is really having a lot of fun designing the charms. Little sunflower and then a little music note. All right. So those are the 7 new charms.